Now, you see, when they say I'm the cause, I'm the problem, I'm not any problem. I'm a peaceful person, is it not?
It is so.
Are we not peaceful?
We are peaceful.
Are we not peaceful?
We are peaceful.
This is supposed to be an opposition party, is it not?
Yes, sir.
A party that's supposed to identify with the masses, is it not?
Yes, sir.
Is it not true?
It is.
This is a party that is saying that the ruling party is not doing well, is it not?
Yes, sir.
Is it not? It means that anything that affects the masses, we must be in support of the masses. Is it not true?
Yes, sir.
Is it not true?
Now, so.
Are you happy? Is it not affecting you?
It is so.
Is it not affecting you?
It's affecting us so.
But you see my problem. Instead of our party to identify the leadership of the party at the national level, is now saying that they are happy with what central bank is doing. Is that good?
No way.
Is that good?
No.
Everybody should see. Instead of us to say, identify with the masses who are suffering, you are saying that you are happy with the policy that central bank and cabal are bringing that making us to suffer. You are saying it is good. We in Rivers State, we will not support it.
No way.
Are we supporting that?
No.
Are we supporting what central bank is doing?
No.
So, we want to say we are not in support of that. All those who are in support of that are enemies of the people.
Yes, sir.
Not be so?
Not so.
They are enemies of the
People.
When I say some people are undertakers, you know what an undertaker is? Do you hear what they call the one you say is the national chairman? Did you hear what he said yesterday? Did you hear what he said? You didn't hear? Did you hear what he said? Let me tell you, when you see undertakers, you know those who came to kill this party. But this party will not die, they will die first.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Not so.
Now, so.
Let me show you. I didn't know that they are so wicked to this party. No wonder they left the party and joined ACM before.
Bad Bele.
Now they have come again. See what, that's why I say it's not my own chairman. Let me show you what they said. Are you ready to hear it? Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. People have said they don't do juju for my phone, it don't go walk over.
It don't go walk. Wicked don't mind them. Don't mind them. Yes, the wicked don't mind them. Say, oh, don't mind them. Don't mind them. Oh, don't mind them. A biggie man, a biggie man. A biggie man, a biggie man. Boogie, boogie.
They go fail, Abi. They don't go fail.
A biggie man, a biggie man. A biggie man, a biggie man. Yeah. Hold it.
Increase the volume, and I'm not volume here. Increase the volume. Listen, listen. See what they're saying. Listen.
Listen.
PDP has brought us shame, and we will not continue to return them in power.
You hear what our chairman said?
Yes, sir.
That PDP has brought shame, and they will not allow PDP to be in power.
Yes, sir.
Is that a good chairman?
Bad chairman.
Is that not anti-party?
Anti-party.
Is the chairman not in anti-party?
Anti-party.
Out of the abundance of heart,
The
man
speak
speaketh.
them. Koro, koro.
Out of the abundance of what?
Heart.
The man does what?
Speakers.
But for us in Rivers State, our own party is a good party.
Yes, sir.
Our own party is a party that has done Rivers State well.
Yes.
And we must vote our National Assembly, our governorship, our House of Assembly, as far as PDP is
concerned.
So it is their own party that has brought shame to them. Our own party, PDP River State, has never brought shame to us.
No way.
Not be so.
Not so.
Not be so.
Not so.
Now it is clear. Those who love us. Anyway, people, if somebody say they don't love you, will you kill yourself?
No.
Will you kill yourself?
No.
You love those who love you, is it not?
It is.
Those who hate you, do you need to love them?
We hate them.
If you hate me,
I hate you.
if you love me,
I love you.
if you push me,
I push you.
if you